Hi, Goddess of Love here again. Kamusta kayo dyan mga goddess ko? So, yeah, another reading na naman tayo today for the air signs. Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, no? So, yeah, kamusta kayo dyan mga air signs natin, no? Nabablock out ako sa inyo mga air signs, no? So, maybe lutang ng for some of you, right? No? So, yeah, mga air signs, no? So, let's see, no? Anong naging conflict ng inyong relationship, no? The person you are dealing with, or once pwedeng ex na rin for some of you, right? No? And then tignan natin no message from your inner self, no? Your inner soul. And what's the hidden strength na hindi nyo pa alam, no? Mga air signs natin. And of course, message advice from the universe, right? No? So but before that, goddesses ko, no, air signs, no? So tignan natin bakit naging complicated ang inyong relationship, right? No? So, kuha tayo, before that, no, tignan muna natin message ng inyong inner strength, no, mga air signs natin. Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, no? Tignan natin, kuha tayo ng one card for you. Air sign. Let's see. So, you have this. You are the best. No, parang lumabas na to ng nakaraan no sa air sign kay Libra ata yun that you are the best, no? So talagang second message na ito ng inner self no mga air signs natin, particularly kay Libra, no? So you are the best talaga. No? So sinasabi dito no ng inner self mo, mga air signs natin is talagang kumbaga wag mong i-doubt yung sarili mo, wag mong maliitin yung sarili mo because you are the best, no? Something like that, no? Mga air signs natin. So, let's see, anong naging conflict sa inyong relationship. Let's find out kung makikita natin, no? Kuha tayo ng 3 cards here for you, air signs. Please, no? Mga angel guides natin. Please, for air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Let's see. 3 cards for air signs. So you have this, no? I have addictions, accept that. No? So parang may namimilit dito, right? So, and then playing games, my nature. No? So, tingnan pa natin. So, meron talaga ritong hindi seryoso. And then, see you. No? So, meron ditong person, no? Vice versa, no? Pwedeng kayo ito or ang person ninyo, cross-watchers, welcome din, right? No? So, yeah, meron ditong may addiction, no? Mga air signs natin, no? Playing games, my nature. So, hindi seryoso, no? Maybe talagang this person is a cheater, no? Something like that. Kung ano man tong mga games na ginagawa niya, no? Nasanay siyang gawin, no? But then, parang sinasabi ng person na ito na i-accept mo daw yung addiction niya, no? Something like that, no? So, may see you. So, maybe talagang, maybe na at the current moment talagang you are still connected with this person, no? With the see you. Kasi, baga, nagkikita pa rin kayo nito. Or you are together, no? Something like that, no? Mga air sign natin, no? So, let's see what else, no? Kuha pa tayo ng 3 cards here for you, air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, no? Let's see ano pang meron sa sitwasyon ninyo. Tignan natin. 4 air signs. So, you have this secret place, disrespect, and then taking responsible this time. So, ang nakikita ko rito with the secret place and disrespect, no? Something na, yeah, no? Kung this person is a cheater, no? Something, no? Yeah, meron siyang secret place. Talagang meron siyang pinupuntahang lugar, no? At doon niya dinadala yung mga kaanuhan niya, no? Something like that. So, disrespect, no? This person, of course, no? Hindi ka nire-respeto because kung nire-respeto ka ng isang tao, he will not betray you, cheat on you, abuse you, something like that, right? No? Kung may respeto ang tao sa inyo, no? If that person, of course, no? Respeto nagsisimula yan within ourselves. If you are not respecting yourself, and that's the way you are treating also people around you, right? No? Kasi ang respeto nagsisimula yan sa sarili natin. Kung wala kang respeto sa sarili mo, so yun nga, di ba? Playing games, so wala kang respeto sa sarili mo, you are dealing with multiple people, no? Something like that, no? Or you have addictions, no? So alam mong masama, but then you are still doing those kind of things. So, hindi mo nire-respeto yung sarili mo. That's why, right? No? So, but then with this, taking responsible this time, maybe this person has realization, no, for some of you, and now will take the responsible, or will be this being responsible na daw siya this time, no? Sabi niya, no? So, let's see, no? What else? No? Tingnan pa natin, ano pang meron sa sitwasyon ninyo. Tignan natin, mga air signs natin. Let's see. Kuha pa tayo ng 2 cards here for you, air signs. Tingnan natin. So, let's see. So, you have this 7 of Cups. And then, Ace of Pentacles. So, for some of you, ang nakita ko rin dito, no, maybe, yan, no, sabihin natin talagang may addiction nga itong tao na ito, right? No? With the 7 of Cups here, kung makikita mo, wasted, no? All the, kumbaga may snake, di ba? Lahat parang sobrang toxic, no? Because the addiction that this person have, no? Yeah, very toxic itong energy ng person na ito, right? And with the Ace of Pentacles here, kung makikita mo, napaka-greedy rin sa pera ng tao na ito, right? No, for some of you, baka pinagdadamutan ka pa ng tao na ito, right? No, sa pera, no, something like that, no, mga air signs natin. No? So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no, because this person has addiction, that's why napaka-greedy niya sa pera, no? Ayun yung nakikita ko rito. Kung makikita mo dito, no, kumbaga parang, 'di ba? Sabihin natin na ano siya, no, hindi na siya mapakali nga rito. Parang alam niyang mali yung ginagawa niya, but then this person is continuing lang, no, repeating the kung ano man ito, right? No, kung makikita mo dito, right? No, kasi parang ano na siya, no, wala siyang pakialam, no, for some of you, no, even though na parang nako-compromise na yung kanyang kung ano man, kung may family ba kayo nito, nung tao na ito, right? No? Kumbaga, basta basta makuha niya or ma ma ano lang yung kanyang mga desires, no? Kumbaga, ano bang tawag doon? Yung masatisfied siya, no? Kung ano man ito, right, no? Sa itong addiction na ito na nasa-satisfied siya even though alam niyang mali, no? Something like that, no? And naapektuhan sobra na yung kanyang financial, no? Something like that, no? At nagiging, kumbaga, pwede sabihin natin, pinagtataguan ka pa ng pera ng tao na ito, right? No? Nagiging greedy siya sa pera because of the addictions, no, na ginagawa ng tao na ito, right? No, kung ano man yung addictions na yan, no? Mga air signs natin, no? Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. So, let's see what else, no? Pagdating sa sitwasyon pa, tingnan pa natin ano pang meron. Kuha pa tayo ng 2 cards here for you, air signs. Let's see. Ano pang meron? So you have this long distance, no? Love knows no distance. It transcends time and space. And then closure, no? Not all connections are meant to be. Accept closure. So for some of you, ang nakikita ko naman dito, no? maybe, kung ano man yung connection mo with this person, no, mga air signs natin, no, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, no, parang it has to end, no, something like that, no, kailangan magkaroon na ng closure sa relationship or connection na ito, no, kasi very toxic na itong relationship na ito, right, no, and then for some of you, I think is there will be a new love coming, no, with the long distance here, right, no, maybe there is a new person coming in for you once you close the connection or relationship that you had with this current situation or connection that you have, right, no, so parang kailangan mo na, for some of you, no, sinasabi rito, kailangan mo nang i-end itong relationship na ito, no, na meron ka sa tao na ito na may mga addictions, right? Kasi parang hindi siya matatapos eh, no, paulit-ulit lang niyang gagawin at ikaw lang din yung mahihirapan dito, no, mga air signs natin, no. So, sinasabihan ka na rito na i-close mo na. There must be a closure to that connection, to this connection for you to have a space, no? For you to have a space for this new person that coming in, no? Something like that. And this person is nasa malayong lugar, no? For some of you, no? May distance, no? Yeah, may malayo eh, no? So, but then, if you have true love kasi, no, kapag may true love ka sa person is walang distansya, no. You will have this yung distansya, no, hindi mo yun mapapansin once you have this true love sa isang tao, no. Hindi mo makikita yung distansya, ang mararamdaman mo is that you are being connected, no, even though you are apart, no. Iba yung pakiramdam kapag yung tao is meant for you, no, even though you are apart, alam mo sa sarili mong you are secured, no, that walang mangyayaring hindi maganda because alam mong yung person that you are dealing with is totoong mahal ka rin, no, the way that you love also the person, right? Something like that, di ba? So, yeah. So, sinasabi sa'yo dito, no, mga air signs natin that maybe for some of you, no, katulad kay Scorpio ata, no. So, maybe for some of you, alam nyo, pwede kayong manood ng ng water signs, no? Ng reading kay water sign and kay fire sign. Kasi, similar yung mga readings ninyo. Maybe may mga, meron kayong mga placement chart sa inyong placement, no? Meron kayong mga ibang zodiac signs na may water and fire element, no, mga air signs. Kasi halos same yung mga energies na nakukuha natin. Eh. So, yeah. So, yeah, no, parang yun nga, same kayo ng mga energies. So, yun nga yung nakikita ko rito ng mga air signs natin. So, you have to let go of this connection, of this relationship that you are currently dealing, no, for some of you. You are still in this connection, no, and this person is hindi siya magbabago. Maybe for some of you, sinasabi lang niya na magiging responsible na siya this time. But then, ang nakikita ko is hindi talaga yun ang totoo, no? This person is still dealing with those addictions that he or she has, no? Hindi niya kayang talikuran itong mga addictions na meron siya, no? At masasaktan lang kayo, no? At uulit lang kung ano yung nangyayari ulit, babalik lang yun, no? Maybe this time naglalaylo lang tong tao na ito, no? For some of you, no? But then eventually, no? Babalik ulit to sa dati niyang routine. So ayun yung nakikita ko rito, right? No, so kailangan mo ng closure sa tao na ito, no? You have to end the relationship for some of you, no? Kung kaya ninyo, right? No, because you are the best, right? No, you don't deserve something like this, no, mga air signs natin. You deserve because you are the best and then you deserve only the best. Of course, right? No, so you deserve the best person, of course, no, nakagaya mo din, no, mga air signs, no. So parang yung sinasabi sa'yo dito, you deserve someone na kagaya mo din, na loyal, na tapat din, na kagaya mo, 'di ba? Hindi katulad ng tao na ganito. No? So kaya sinasabi sa iyo dito na you have to close the connection, the relationship with this person, no? So ayun yung sinasabi sa dito, no? And because there will be or there is someone at a distance na malayo sa inyo na totoong mamahalin ka. No, for some of you, maybe kilala mo na ito, and then for some of you, parating pa lang itong tao na ito. Right? No, so let's see what's your hidden strength na hindi nyo pa alam, mga air signs natin. Let's see. What's your hidden strength? Tingnan natin. Kuha tayo ng one card for you, no? Mga air signs natin. Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Let's see. So you have this, no? Elk medicine woman. With ano to? Wild at heart. No, so for some of you, nakikita ko rito, no, air signs, no, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius is you are this, no, ang hindi mo naiintindihan or hindi mo alam sa sarili mo, air signs that you are a healer, no. For some of you, you are a healer with a heart. No, you have this pure heart kasi, no, mga air signs, no. So you are a healer for some of you. You can heal people emotions, people burdens, no. People na dumadaan sa depression, you can help them heal, no, from the wounds, no, from the pains that they are dealing with, no, for some of you. Or maybe literal, for some of you, you are a doctor, no, na tumutulong, syempre, of course, pagalingin ng mga tao. Or you are working in, 'di ba, hospital, no? Pwedeng nurse kayo or therapist or whatever, no? Something na may kinalaman sa pagpapagaling sa medicine or literally, no, you are a spiritual healer, no? Sabi ko nga, no? You can heal people, no? By means of your no, experiences, no? By means of your wisdom, no, something like that, right? No, you can apply the wisdoms that you have, no, mga air signs, and that wisdoms can help, no, people to heal, no, something like that, no, mga air signs natin, no. So ayun yung nakikita ko dito, no. So what else, no, tingnan natin, no, message advice for you ni universe, no, mga air signs natin, no, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Kuha tayo ng one card for you, air signs. Message advice from the universe. So let's see. So you have this, I am a radiant being enjoying life to the fullest. Because 'di ba sabi nga you are the best, 'di ba? So hindi mo kailangang to deal pains, no, to deal with the burdens, no, because you are this radiant, no, you are you are a radiant being, no, so you are the light, no, sinasabi dito sa iyo ni universe, no, mga air signs, that you are the light, no, you are being radiant, radiate, no, something like that, no, kumbaga nagliliwanag kayo no. Kumbaga, that's why sabi nga you are a healer, no? You heal people. You heal people because of your light, no? Something like that, no? And because of that, you can live your life to the fullest, right? No? You don't deserve na itrato ka ng hindi maganda ng mga tao because you are this, no? You have that pure heart, no? Na kumbaga parang that's why people around you are taking advantage of you because yeah, for some of you napakabait mo no, with the wild at heart here, no. Kumbaga napaka-vulnerable ninyo, no, mga air signs natin to the point na kahit na paulit-ulit kayong sinasaktan ng tao, ng mga tao or ng tao sa paligid no, or that person is still you are forgiving and forgiving even though paulit-ulit, no? That's why sinasabihan ka na dito to have a closure to that person because ayaw na ni universe na mag-deal ka pa sa mga burdens, no? You have to release those burdens, no? Those pains, no? Para you can live your life to the fullest, di ba? Sinasabi sa iyo rito that you have this potential, no? In your life, no? Na because you are the light, no? Marami ka pang magagawa, no? At you are being blocked because of the person that is not for you, no? Blocking what is really meant for you, no? That's why you cannot do such things na you can heal people because ikaw mismo sa sarili mo, you are still dealing with the pain. 'Di ba? You have to heal so you can heal people around you, no? Something like that, right? No, so I hope you understand me, no, mga air signs natin. So ayun yung nakikita ko dito, no, mga air signs natin that you are the light, no? You are the light, you radiate, no? Napakaliwanag ng inyong light dito, ng inyong aura. So, you are given the privilege ni universe to live your life to the fullest, no? Something like that. Because for some of you, you've done your work, no? You've done the work, no? Something like that. And now, it's time for you to live your life to the fullest, no? Hindi mo na kailangang mag-deal pa sa mga burdens, no? Sa mga pains, sa mga toxic people around you. You have to let go of the people around you, no? Mahirap man gawin, no? Napakahirap, no? But then, you have to, no? Something like that. Yeah, no? Mahirap gawin. But then, yeah, it will take time, no? Just take your time, no? Something like that, no? I know you can do it in the right time, no? Hindi ka naman minamadali ni universe dito, alam kong it will take too much time for you to decide, no? Kasi mga air sign, indecisive lagi yan, right, no? Ang hirap sa inyong mag-decide. Gusto niya laging fair and balance, no? That's why you are contemplating, no? You are waiting and waiting for something na alam niyo naman din sa sarili niyo na wala nang dapat hintayin, no? But then still, you are waiting for something to change, something new, something whatever, no? But then, alam mo sa sarili mo na wala na dapat hintayin, di ba? So, yeah, that's it for you, mga air signs natin, no? So, I hope na naka-resonate kayo sa reading ninyo today, mga air signs natin. And thank you for always coming in, no? Coming back, no? Tuning in sa ating channel, no? And yeah, God bless you all and thank you for watching Air Signs.